So, okay, sir. You run again. Okay na? Okay na. So, before you move, you should take a look to the left mirror before you go. Okay. Drive. Okay. Take a look. 1 second. Okay, then go. Okay. First of all, you got to take the lane. Okay, very good. Okay, stop. Then go. Nice. So you drive soft. Nice. That is soft touch only, huh? Okay, good. Yes. On the left. Okay. So after you make a speed very fast, after making a high speed, you should stay on the brake. On the brake, man. That's okay. Gas. After gas, you should stay to the brake. Okay. So that's enough for this road. Don't press the gas anymore. No. Brake. Stay on the brake. Okay. It can reach. You see? Okay. Left. Here. Okay. Then make it very slow. Just like a stop. Okay, then release the brake. Okay. Then pull over to the left. Then make it very slow. Okay. Okay. That's cool, man. Okay. Gas. Okay, nice. The brake. Nice. That's cool, man. Okay. That's the distance, okay? Okay. Hold your breath. Brake. Okay. That's okay. Okay, that's good. Gas. Very soft. Okay, that's cool, man. That's the distance. Correct distance. Okay, no, brake. Make it slow. Yeah, that's cool. That is the only distance for this speed, huh? You never get in close to that car. Okay. Soft touch. Nice. Okay, stay under 30. Okay, no, very slow because there's a bike. No, never. Okay, brake. Little brake. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so if you follow the slow moving car, you should slow too. Make your car slower. Okay, so he ran about 30 km per hour. He ran about 30, so you should follow that. Okay, take the left. Always brake, a little brake, no gas, brake. Okay, you should see the tire. Okay, one car ahead when you stop. Okay, turn to the left. Okay, yun yung kailangan niya matutunan eh. Make it slow, very slow. Yeah, nice, kuya. You're very good driver, kuya. You're handsome, kuya. Give me bonus, kuya. Big boss on board. Okay. Yan, Chinese po yan si Kuya. Sige, gas. Gas. Nice. You know how to stop, huh?
那我知道了哈。
右边。右边。
左边。
右边。Nice. Yo yo. Up. Beep. Never miss the lane. Somebody beep beep. Okay, make it slow, very slow. Like a stop, no, like a stop. Before you stop, like let's stop. No. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Try to make it stay on the 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer. No, break. 3 kilometer. Stay on that. Nice. That's the very that's the good driver. Know how to drive 3 kilometer per hour. Can you control it? 3 kilometer per hour? Try it. Make it slow. 3 kilometer. 3. Yeah. Stay on 3 kilometer per hour. You should know that. Okay. Slower. Down. Yeah. 3. 3. Yeah. Tatlo. 3. Okay. 3. Control it. 3. Stay on 3. You know? 3. That's good. Stay on that. 3. Yeah. That's the 3. 2. That is 2. 3. Yeah, that's good. Stay on that in 1 minute. Stay on that. Because that is the way how to drive on traffic. 3. Yeah, you should feel that. Okay. 0. Okay. Release the brake. Okay. There. Open the brake. Okay. 3. Okay, stay on that. You should know how to drive 3 kilometer per hour. That is, you're going to use that on traffic. 3. That is 2. It's hard. Are you going to take the challenge? Oh, that's cool, man. Okay. That is the way how to drive on traffic. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. That is traffic, no? When the move cars in your front, okay. Release the brake. 3. Okay, 3. Okay. Then stop. That is the way how to drive on traffic. Yeah. Way how to drive to traffic. Okay, when you're traffic, you only press the brake. Never press the gas. Okay? Okay, then go. Go na. Yo. Oh, brake. Okay. No! Never make a horn. Go gas. Oh, gas. Nice. Gas. Take a look on the right. So, ganun lang yung pagdadrive, ha?